Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here at YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and on this Tiguan we have the 2.0 TSI motor in it, and we are going to go over how you would replace your ignition coils. So to replace the ignition coils, of course, you pop the hood. You'll be able to get to this protective cover here, or decorative cover, and we just need to pop this up. It's just held on by little rubber grommets. So we pop this up and we can remove it and set that aside. We have our 4 ignition coils right here for this 4-cylinder with the spark plugs under it. You've read a code and you have a random misfire, you can go ahead and replace the one that's saying it's a misfire, cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so if your code reader, for whatever reason, say cylinder 2 is not working, you can go ahead and just replace cylinder 2 if you need. Or likely you'll replace them all at the same time. To replace these, to start with, you'll need to pop these clips by opening them up. You can use a screwdriver to get them to unlock. You just want to be careful that you don't break the tabs. If you do break the tabs, then you'll need to use some type of pick tool to get in there to be able to pop up this second tab here. And you'll need to pop them and then pull it back. And you'll pull it all back to be able to gain access. Otherwise, you can't just do the one and pull it back. You're going to have to pop them all. And now, you don't need to just get these out. There's no bolt that holds them in. You'll just need to move it back and forth and pull on it real good. Or use some type of pry bar to be able to get it to pull out. And when it comes out, you're going to want to you kind of look and inspect, see if you've got any oil or anything on it to know whether maybe you have some blow-by on your spark plugs. So then you would take your new ignition coil and be able to just insert it. You can put dielectric grease in there, it's your choice. Always good, makes a good electrical connection. And then you just have to snap them back into place. And you would just repeat that process for all 4 ignition coil if you're replacing all 4 of them. Then, once you're done with replacing them, then you're just going to line up all these connectors, and then you'll just bring them up until they snap on together. And so that's how you would replace your ignition coil on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.